Let's go over Project 6, page 3 now. We're going to start off by doing the questions that are on the top boxes, table, better yet. We're going to start with the total periods. To find the total periods, we're going to multiply the period per year times the number of terms in years. So we're going to do 2 times 5 for that one, giving us 10. Next one is 12 times 5. Multiply that together, we get 60. So those are the numbers you will be putting in those two boxes. The next one is the amount. To find the amount, what we want to do is we want to add the amount deposited to the interest earned. So we're going to start off with 100,000 plus interest earned of $22,321.39. So we're going to type in $122,321.39. So that is how we find the amount. Finding the interest is just the opposite of that. We're going to take the amount and we're going to subtract the amount deposited from that, and that is the interest earned, which is going to be $22,078.82. So that's all that you have to do for these 4 questions in the box. The next 3 questions, we're also going to be looking at the table. For this one, we're trying to find the institutions that compound monthly. So what you want to do is you want to take a look at this table right here, periods per year. We're looking for the institution that compounds monthly. If you remember, monthly means compounding once per month. That means in 1 year, we are compounding 12 times. So that is going to be Atlantic Central. So remember, we need to put in the name of the institution. So you need to type in the institution name in here. It's going to be Atlantic. I'm not going to type everything up. All right, the next one says compounds quarterly. Compounding quarterly means we are compounding 4 times per year. So that is federal loan. We're going to type in federal loan in here. And then the next one says semi-annually. Semi-annually means twice per year or every half a year. So that's going to be this one, which is statewide. So again, for the first few questions, when it asks for the institution, all you have to do is write in the institution name. Alright, now we go on to the next one. It says, at the institution that provides the highest annual yield on $100,000 in 5 years, the annual rate is blank. So we're looking for the institution that provides the highest annual yield. So that means we need to take a look at this column over here, the annual yield column. So take a look at it. Which number is the highest? It's going to be 4.11. That is the highest. However, you do not want to write that number into the box because that is not what the question says. The question says, at the institution that provides the highest annual yield on $100,000 in 5 years, the annual rate is blank. So we're looking at that row, but we're going to look at its respective annual rate, which is going to be 4.05. So you want to type in 4.05 in here. And then it says the total number of periods is blank. So we're looking at the same row, just different column. We're looking at the total column or total period column, which is going to be 20. That is in the same. So we're going to type in 20 in here. All right. Last one. Last one says the 2 annual rates that produce the lowest yields are blank. So first we're going to look at the annual yield. Which 2 are the lowest? So looking at these numbers, you'll see that the two lowest are the 4.07. They have the same annual yield. However, again, the question is asking for what are the annual rates. So they're asking for the annual rates. So what are the respective rates? You're going to type in 4.03 and 4.07. Doesn't matter which order you put it in. As long as you have those two numbers, you are correct. Alright, and that is all that we have for this page of Project 6.